did last time?
Shapes, how to find the sum of angles.
Okay. This is what we did, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Sine, cos, tan. And tan is sine by cos. Need
Yeah.
also, okay. And sine. I'm putting class notes in the folder Google Drive. You can check. And sine square plus cos square equal to 1.
Mhm.
That's basically Pythagoras theorem,
Yeah.
right? You have to revise, otherwise you'll forget.
Okay.
Because right, angles, right? And degrees and radians. How much is one circle? How many radians?
2 pi.
Yeah. And in degrees, it's 360.
Yeah.
Right. So 1 radian approximately is 60 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll come to that. Right. So arc length is r into theta. When you have a see, there is a circle, and this line is making an angle. This line is making an angle theta with the horizontal axis, right? X-axis.
Yeah.
You're drawing a circle of radius r. So this is the arc length. Okay. So the arc length will be more if theta is more, right?
Yeah.
And arc length will be more even if the radius is more. For the same given theta, increase the radius, the arc length will increase, right?
Yeah.
So basically, arc length is dependent on both theta and r, and it is given as this one. Arc length L is r into theta. If radius is more, arc length will be more. If angle is more, arc length will be more. Arc is part of a circle of radius r.
Yeah.
It subtends that angle. This is the angle theta, which is subtended by this arc of a circle of radius r. The arc length is r into theta, and theta should be in radians. Right. And 1 plus tan square equal to secant square. I remember I defined secant as 1 by cos x.
Cos x.
And the way to remember is if you have s here, it will be c in the denominator. That's the way to remember it. And simply 1 plus cot square is cosecant square x, and cosecant is 1 by sine. So c and s are in reciprocals. And cot is 1 by tan, so it's cos by sine. So sine square plus x cos square equal to 1. From that you get these two also. 1 plus tan square equal to secant square, and 1 plus cot square equal to cosecant square.
Okay.
Right. Can you answer this question? Sin x, increase or decrease the function, first quadrant.
In the first function, it is it's increasing, right?
Which was increasing, sine or cos?
Sine.
This is the angle x. So since x is used for angle, I will for coordinate axis I'll use x1 so that I don't get confused. So if I take a point here, what is coordinate of this point? x1 comma y1. The coordinates of a point I choose as x1 y1, and this angle is x. Okay, so the sine of angle x is how much in terms of x1 y1? So this distance is r. If I drop a perpendicular, how much is this length? This is the basic idea of coordinates of point, right? If you drop a perpendicular, so that length will be y1. That's why the coordinate of this point is x1, y1. From a point, if I drop a perpendicular to the x-axis, this vertical length is y1, and this horizontal length,
x1.
yeah, x1. So from that I get sine x as opposite by hypotenuse, right? Opposite side is y1.
And adjacent is x. No, r. Yeah.
Cos x is x1 by r. Okay. So when you increase x, you'll move like this in this direction. Okay. So along this direction, y1 will increase or decrease. So as the angle x increases, y1 is going to increase or decrease.
It will stay the same if x increases.
At this point, y1 is some value, right? After that, we'll move here. Y1 is going to increase or decrease. What is the value of y1 at this point? On the x-axis, x1 axis? On x1 axis, what is the value of y1? 0.
Yeah.
So as you increase x, the value of y1 will increase, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so y1 increases. What about r? R is the distance from the origin to the point. It's constant, it's not going to change. The same value. Okay, so that implies sin x is going to increase. Because sin x is y1 by r is same, and y1 is going to increase, so sin x will increase. In the first quadrant. I'm not going to the second one, only the first quadrant. What about cos x?
Cos x is x by r.
x1.
Yeah, x1 by r. So r will stay the same.
Yeah.
And x1 will increase.
No, from here x is something. As you move here, the length of this thing is going to. On y-axis, what is x1?
0.
Yeah. So here, x1 on the x-axis.